Hello and welcome, Master Lama Rasaji. Well, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas yesterday. Let's get on with it, right? Today, Tuesday, the 26th, is title for our lesson is Jesus the Healer, Regenerative Healing versus Degenerative Healing. Well, first of all, degenerative healing might be a healing with a lot of side effects. And the world would have you believe that that's the standard today. They think healthcare is in some hospital or some insurance policy. You want to know what healthcare is? And it's not I insurance, it's with an A, assurance. Practice this and you'll understand what health assurance is. You go to a hospital when everything else doesn't work. You have surgery when you've exhausted all other kinds of regenerative healing. Do you know that people, when Jesus passed, they were healed? That's right. If they touched the garment he wore, they were healed. That's right. Think about that, right? That's happening in our ascension tours, by the way. I've heard of physical, emotional, psychological, and even spiritual healing. Demons are being cast out before people get there and after people leave. They are seeing demons in their mirror meditation leaving. They're seeing demons in other people living, right? What does that remind you of? It reminds you the time when our elder spiritual brother Jesus walked the planet 2,000 years ago. God's not dead and neither is healing. I'm telling you, Shakti Pod is here bigger than ever. That's the transference of one energy from one human being to another. It's kind of like jumping a car battery with a stronger battery. That's what it's like. Every time we practice the exercises that Tai Chi Gong, whether we're inside, or especially when we're in nature, like the vision behind me, you're charging your battery. You're charging your spirit, your mind, and your body. What the ancient Indians referred to is the true Chandal. Chandal. That's what you're charging. Jesus said, spirit, mind, and body are but one. Maybe that's why the ancient ceremony was 3 yellow stripes across the forehead with 1 magenta dot in the middle. It's amazing how many ancient Hindus or Indians today don't even know that's what that was for. That's what that meant, and that's what that was for. It was part of an ancient ceremony. The last time I remember that I was in India, this lifetime was 1989. Where were you in 89? Not going on that decade shifting over, right? It was really powerful because in 1979 to 1980, I was in Tibet shifting over that decade. And then India, 89 to 90, right? Lots happened since then, hasn't it, brothers and sisters? Some bad, some good. The world's kind of confused. And there's a lot of good people that are being sucked in to do bad things. And when they do, they usually end up in a hospital because they're not in alignment with God's will and God's way. You want to learn God's will and God's way? Go to thecircleofchi.com, just like it says in this logo. Click on training and try, if you will, our 7-day trial. You have nothing to lose. For 6 to 7 days, you have access to over 40 different broadcasts. That's right. 20 different broadcasts on how you can make money on the internet without ever leaving your home. How you can invest and get better than a 10% return every year on your money. Would you like to know how to do that with your own computer? That's right. Well, go check us out. Baraka Bashad, which means may the blessings be to you and your glorious family. See you on the Hump Day tomorrow. God bless.